If you want to watch movies together with friends online, Google Meet can actually make it really easy. And honestly, a lot of people use it now for movie nights, long-distance relationship study groups, or watching videos together remotely. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Meet to watch movies, step by step. First, open Google Meet and start a meeting. You can either create a new meeting or send the invite link to your friends. Now, once everybody joins, open the movie or streaming platform you want to use. This could be YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, or another video platform. Now here's the important part inside Google Meet. Click the Present Now button, then choose a tab. If you're sharing from Chrome, and honestly, this is usually the best option for movies because it shares smoother video and better audio. Now select the tab with your movie, then make sure you enable Share Tab Audio, because if you forget that part, people will see the movie but hear no sound. And honestly, that's one of the most common mistakes beginners make. Now, once you start sharing, everyone inside the Google Meet call should be able to watch the movie together. You can still talk, react, pause the movie, or chat during playback. Now, another important thing, streaming. Quality depends heavily on your internet speed, especially for HD movies, so if the video starts lagging, try closing extra tabs, lowering video quality, or using wired internet if possible. Now let's talk about Netflix and other streaming services, because, honestly, some platforms may block black screens or protected content due to copyright protection, especially if hardware acceleration causes issues. If that happens, disabling hardware acceleration inside your browser settings, then restart Chrome and try screen sharing again. And honestly, this fixes the problem for many people. Now, another thing worth mentioning, Google Meet itself does not provide movies. It only lets you share your screen, so everyone may still need access to the streaming service, depending on the platform rules. Now, let's be honest for a second. Google Meet is probably not the perfect movie night app, but honestly, it works surprisingly well for simple online watch parties, especially if you already use Google services regularly. So, to wrap this up, using Google Meet to watch movies is basically start a meeting, open your movie, click Present Now. Share your browser tab with audio and enjoy the movie together online. And honestly, once you learn the tab sharing trick, the whole setup becomes super easy.